Hey y'all, I'm Scott Andrews with the Shooter's Tent. If you're tired of picking up brass, tired of getting hit by your neighbor's hot brass, maybe you want some shade, some shelter from the rain, the Shooter's Tent is a game changer. Step inside, do all your shooting. Every door gets openable, it's expandable, you can clip them together to make a shooting line. But do your shooting from inside the tent, and then when you're done, you can zip out the floor, take all the brass and toss it. It's been a game changer for us here. So definitely check us out at shooterstent.com.
Fantastic. What sizes do you have?
We've got the Genesis model, the original, and then we have an SS single stack, and then we have an XL, which is 7 foot by 7 foot for those who want to shoot prone or create a staging area. So we can fit 2 single stacks on front of one XL, and that way you have a staging area for all your gear or a hangout lounge, and then step up into the lanes to do some shooting.
That's incredible. What's the prices on these?
$69.99 from our website at shooterstent.com for the Genesis. Yeah.
Wow.
So yeah, very affordable.
That's brilliant. And what's the turnaround time for shipping?
3 or 4 days.
Wow.
Doesn't take long.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Hey, thank y'all very much.